Ola Smola. Let's have a look here. Got this image of a dragonfly with its wings. All I'm going to do is open After Effects, ignore what you see, delete that, and Apple I, which would allow me to import that file. So I just selected it and imported it. If I drag this down here to the composition icon, it would make a composition based on the size of the image, which you can see is 3264 by 2448. Is big. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to make a new comp. I'm going to call it Fly Wing. It's custom, it's 700/465. No reason for that. It's just what it was at before. And it's set to, let's just make this 00. Doesn't have to be big, so it can be 4 seconds. Okay. Oh. Holy smoly. Right. Now if I drag this into here, you can see the image is humongous. So I'm going to go on the keyboard and press S, and that gives me scale. Now you'll notice that I can just drag on here, or I could click inside, put 44, and it scales it to 44%. So you can see this image is pretty big. I'm going to click on the corner of this, then press Shift, which will constrain it. So I could place that there roughly, fill in the canvas window, hit the stopwatch, and that gives me a keyframe. Little diamond there, little diamond here. Yo. I'm going to move the playhead along 12 frames, move it to there, 24 frames 1 second, and all I'm going to do is increase the size of the image. So I'm going to 140 there, so let's just go back 103, that's okay. I don't want to go beyond 100% because it'll start to pixelate and look shitty. So if we move this current time indicator back, hit the space bar, whoa, on fire. Amazing animation. So just 2 simple keyframes. Also remember with keyframes is we can highlight them. Let's get this little one here, and we can move it. So if I move it down here, it's going to make my animation faster. If I moved it here, it's going to slow it down. Now this is useful, and I would think about this in terms of what does that animation look like in terms of its pace, its rhythm, and if you know it needs moving slightly, just rearrange that keyframe and it will work fine. We can also highlight these keyframes, copy and paste them, we can then reverse them and be quite creative in what we do with them, but we'll do that later. So I'm looking at here is just simple keyframes. We used Apple I for new, importing file, Apple N for new composition, and S on the keyboard for scale. S again hides it. Better than going, you know, forget it. Don't even think about doing that. Just use the keyboard shortcut, and that's it. Yada. Hey yo.